Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and we are here at the launch of Nokia today, where Nokia has launched two phones, Nokia 3.1 Plus and Nokia Banana phone, which is the 8110 phone. In this video, we'll see a quick look of the all new Nokia 3.1 Plus and this is how it looks like. So friends, this is the all new Nokia 3.1 Plus in front of you. I have this blue color which is very nice and attractive to look at. It has this very smooth matte finish, and the best thing about Nokia phones which I like is the durability of the phone, because the moment you hold the phone you really feel that it fits so well in the hand, and you know, there's some kind of special toughness in the phones wherever Nokia is concerned, and that gives us more belief in the brand. So you know, overall the design is very nice and good to hold because of this curved design. It is really fitting well. It has a good 6 inches HD plus display, IPS display, and full viewing experience. But you know, I've just noticed that the bezel on the top and the bottom are a little heavier. They could have been a little slimmer in this you know, there's so much competition in the market, so you have to give that full viewing experience, but here the bezels are a little obstructing the view of the full view. And talking about the brightness and all, so I'm here in the you know, sunlight, then too you can see the screen very clearly. The icons are quite clear, viewing angles are decent. Talking about the looks, at the back you get this linear design in which the 13 plus 5 megapixel camera is set up with a flash, and here is the fingerprint sensor and 3.5 jack, the noise cancellation mic, and here there is this micro USB charging port with the speaker grill set very nicely. Power button, the volume rocker. Somehow I really personally very much like the feel of the phone. Also, this phone is powered by Android One. That means you get stock Android, pure Android experience. So many people like pure Android experience because it is much more clutter free. You get updates very soon, as this phone right now has Android 8.1 Oreo, but soon there will be a Pie update. If you talk about the SIM slot, it has a hybrid SIM slot with which you can use 2 nano SIMs, or else one SIM and another SD card, which can be expandable till 400 GB. So that's a very good thing. The expand capacity of the SIM, the expansion capacity of the memory card is very good. Touch response is decent. As I said, Nokia 3.1 Plus, Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It has a MediaTek Helio P20T processor. It has an octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor. That's a decent processor for multitasking. That particular processor is very good for the overall functionality of the phone, as well as, you know, managing the power of the phone. So it will not consume a lot of battery. It will do the power management of your phone. That's a good part in that particular processor. And I don't think so there will be any glitch in playing high-end games and all. It knows how to segment the cores accordingly, that, you know, if a particular application requires this 4 cores, it will use 4 cores, but if you are doing some heavy gaming or something, so then it will use the 8 cores for that particular application. So that, you know, power management is really nice in that particular processor. Along with that, it has the storage of 2 variants. Here the phone which we are holding is a 16 GB variant. That means 2 GB plus 16 GB RAM and ROM. Along with that, there is a 3 GB model as well. Talking about the battery, it has a 3500 mAh of battery, which is decent. It can run on average usage for about 1.5 to 2 days, as Nokia is claiming. As I said, the processor has the power management capabilities. Talking about the back camera, the back camera is a 13 plus 5 megapixel setup. We have options like photo, manual, live bouquet. So live bouquet is a quite interesting option because after clicking the picture in a bouquet mode, you can change the bouquet effect from one place to another. And panorama, square, video, slow-mo, time lapse, these are the options in the photo mode. Yeah, and then there's this beauty mode. You can set the timer, and there's the flash. Talking about the front camera, so it has a 8 megapixel front camera capturing a lot of detail, and no issue in that. Quite decent. I'll show you the pictures. So in front also you get the bouquet mode, manual and video, time lapse and all these options, and of course the beauty mode. So let's just run through some of the pictures. I just tried to click here on the launch event. You can see I really like these colors. They are not oversaturated, although there was a lot of contrast lighting here. Along with that, just check the selfie, it's pretty decent. So guys, this was the first look of the Nokia 3.1 Plus for you. It has been launched at a budget price range of 10,499 and will be available from 19th of October. That means just in the festive season they have launched this phone, and it will be available on offline stores as well as nokia.com/phones. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.